Khajari Raja Bacha. Very good. His hand was like this, and nobody knew that there are phalanges inside. We have the photograph. It was just looking like a stump. There was no appearance of any digit, any thumb or anything. When we got the X-ray done, we learned that there's a complete hand inside. Then we opened it up in 2 stages. If you're doing it in 1 stage, the vascularity will be too short and it will tear off. Therefore, we had to do it in 2 stages. In 1 stage, we did this. Now, when we opened these digits separately, then we saw that the bones and tendons are exposed. Therefore, we had to embed those vital structures into a vascular cover of the abdominal wall. Now he's ready to be removed.
Why is it so important that he has that ability?
Yeah, firstly, if he has a stump of this size, he will not be able to hold something. This functional length is also very important. Suppose he holds a bike, and if he has a short stump, he has to do this. Now, because of this functional length, even if we don't have digits and he has a functional length, this will help him, number 1. Number 2, if he could have just one post on this side and another post on in opponents, he will be able to have something to hold. Yeah, this all I'm sure I'm not going to give him all the 5 fingers. But one static post and one mobile post will do a lot to him.